Hello everyone. There is a big update from IBM. IBM is hiring 2021, 2020, 2019 pass out batch. Role will be network support engineer. Qualification should be any degree. Salary will be up to 4 LPA and there is no percentage criteria. So anyone can apply. Now how to apply I'll discuss in this video, but before starting the video let me tell you very important thing. If you want to become software developer but you don't know how to prepare, what to prepare, how to create your resume, I mean how to improve your resume, you don't know anything, then no need to worry. An academy is here. An academy will give you complete roadmap how to crack interviews of top MNCs, how to improve your course profile and much more. Now, as you know that an academy is India's one of the largest learning platform, and what you need to do, just you need to get a subscription. After that you will get access to the live classes, access to industry experts, innovative courses, unlimited access. And in the live classes you can chat with educator, you can discuss and ask your doubts. And in the access of the industry experts you can interact with some of the top industry experts and you can gain their experience. And you can get the access to innovative courses, and all the innovative courses are structured in such a way that it will increase your knowledge about the field. Okay. And you can watch those courses on any on your device. Okay, you can watch those courses either on your laptop, PC, or even on your mobile phone, so no need to worry. Now you can see there are many live classes. Okay, there are many recently started courses. You can just click here, you can see all the courses. Okay, recently started courses, just like for example, you if you want to learn UI design, okay, if you want to learn web development, just click here and you can learn all the courses. Okay, but you just need to get a subscription. Okay, after that just you need to get only one subscription and you will get access to the all the courses. Okay, now how to get subscription, just click on anywhere, get subscription. Okay, like here click on the get subscription. Here you can see the price is 83 rupees per month, or you can say 999 rupees per year. But if you will use my code, my referral code Anurag, okay, just apply. After that you can see you will get 10% off. Okay, so 899 rupees is nothing. Okay, for 1 year, and this is no cost EMI. Okay, so EMI is also available on 6 months. Okay, so how to pay, just click on proceed to pay and you will get subscription and you can access all the courses. Okay, so this is very big opportunity, don't miss this opportunity. Now let me tell you about uh, Ujjwal Kumar Sen. Sen teaches digital marketing, and on every Saturday and Sunday at 3 p.m. he conduct live classes. Okay, so you can learn their course if you want to learn digital marketing. As you know that digital marketing is in demand. Okay, and let me tell you one more important thing. This is weekly calendar of an academy. Now you can see you can learn lot of things in 1 week. So now you imagine, if you can learn lot of things in just 1 week, then how much you will learn in 1 year. Okay, so this is very big opportunity. Now let's continue our video. Now we will talk about how to apply for network support engineer. So when you'll click on the apply link, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the official website of IBM. Okay, here you can read everything. Okay, now just you need to click on the apply now. After that this page will be reloaded. Okay, just you need to click here, no thanks, continue to apply. Okay, click here. After that you will get this page. Here you can read everything, responsibilities. Okay, everything. Their required education is bachelor's degree, but their preferred education is master's degree. If you have done master's degree then they will prefer, but if you have done bachelor's degree then also you are eligible for this. Okay, so now how to apply, just click on the apply to job. Okay, after that here you need to enter your email ID and password. If you have created any password before. Okay, but if you are fresh, I mean if you didn't create any account on IBM, just you need to click here, don't have an account yet. Okay, click here, then you need to create an account. After that, login and password, click on this sign in, then fill your details. Okay, after that fill your details. After that you can submit your details. Yeah, while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, I'll provide link in description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.